So today we're going to do something a little different than my usual greeting card for blog. We are going to make ghosts that are fabulous. I have them all over my house. It will take you as much as 60 seconds to make one, and I promise you, you will become addicted and have them all over your house as well. You just simply need white paper plates. I get mine at the dollar store, scissors, stapler, and a pen to draw the ghost's face. And if you want your ghost to glow, you're also going to grab some tea lights at the dollar store and slip them right under. This is so fun and fabulous, and I do it every single year. Hope you enjoy. I do these funny little ghost face on almost every possible surface when it comes to Halloween. We have a lot of white pictures in my kitchen, decorative pictures on a windowsill filled with holiday colored fake flowers. I love fake flowers. And I use uh, dry erase markers to put the little face, ghost face on the pictures. I love it. I put them on white balloons, which are strewn all about on the skeletons in the front yard. It's just an easy formula face to do, and I know you'll do your own, and it'll be fabulous. And of course, I had to make a ghost that best represents me. So naturally, a little lipstick, a little bit of eyelash, because it's got to be a best dressed ghost. If I could have figured out how to put accessories on this ghost, I would have done that too. Speaking of which, my newest acquisition for $1 this morning at a flea market. And one last thought, in going to the dollar store for my paper plates, I ended up getting 10 million little pumpkins, glitter pumpkins, and just put them in this oversized I got it from IKEA, Mason-ish jar. I love Halloween. I don't know when it became the new Christmas, but I love driving around and seeing Halloween decorations.